Why are you being so paranoid? Huh? What is it? What's the problem? Yes, I saw her on the road and I gave her a lift. So what is wrong with that?
A lot of things are wrong with that. Why didn't you give her money to use, some other means? She is your ex. That means she belongs to your past. You have the guts to carry that wretch in the same car that I bought with my money?
Zikora is my ex-wife.
That means she belongs to the past.
We are not established enemies. All I did was to render a harmless help.
I do not fancy such help. Period.
Babe, see. Baby, what's going on? Can't you just trust me? Please, I beg you. Just trust me, okay? I want you to trust me, come on. Baby.
Can you get your hands off me, please?
Stop this.
Are these not the same hands you used on that wretched? Get your hands off me. No. Go sterilize your hands.
I've done that already, okay? Sweetest.
Oh, sweet. Stop it.
You so sweet.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.